Hello, welcome to Vibe Trading. My name is Don Okora. So today, global recession declared by Wall Street as a result of the coronavirus. No doubt, business has been affected globally and locally. And as the day keep progressing, the economy keep deteriorating and we are feeling the impact. So let's look at the stock market. As the stock market is a very good indicator that will tell us how the market is doing or how the economy is doing. We are going to be looking at SPY or the S&P 500 in this video. We're also going to look at TVIS and we're going to look at some of the stock we traded today and we can go from there. So let's start with SPY. We're just going to dive right in here. It's already open right here. So the SPY or the S&P 500, it's an ETF that controls the top 500 company in America. So remember the last video we talked about key level we need to focus on with everything the federal government has been doing in order to mitigate the risks that we are seeing right now in the market with the economy. But we looked at some key level, and that key level we looked at the support level. And our price dropped that level because of the issues we have going right now. So we need to focus now on our next support level, and we need to focus and see if the price is gonna hold on our support level. So we're gonna be looking at this support level, the 237 area. That's where we're gonna try to focus right now. And our resistance level will be this level, the 271 level. I don't think the price is going to go to that level anytime soon. But what we can expect some movement. We can expect some range. We can expect the price to trade in between this range for a while before we're going to have some sort of breakout. And if that doesn't happen, the price will continue going down. So So the price will continue going down. We need to focus on this particular level right here. Okay. When we also look at our weekly chart, we can be able to see that the price has already fallen below my 200 moving average. So right now we are in a bear market, and it's a very terrible place to be at this moment. So when you're taking position, you gotta, take small position, just to prevent big losses. Or if you're gonna make profit, it's not gonna be big, but you want to protect capital at this moment. So let's look at TVIS. That's the inverse of the SPY. When we look at the yearly chart, see, the last time we talked about this is our resistance level, and from all look of things, it's broken that level. It's trading. It went to the high of 653.96 today. It's making a very massive move, as as we talked from our previous video. When the SPY is down, TVIS is up. So TVIS is really going so high, and a lot of people use it to hedge their bets, just for them to be able to make money whichever way the market goes. All right, so enough with that. Let me just talk about the play we took today. We traded Boeing, and Boeing was a very great trade today. So I'm going to clear all of this. I can show you my thesis behind this trade we took today. So this is Boeing. Boeing traded, the sell-off it had went down to about 101.26 today. So if you understand Boeing, and Boeing makes plane, okay, they make plane for people to be able to fly. So Boeing, it's a very big company here in America. It has a very big business, okay, but it's been going through a lot of trouble, even before the coronavirus issue came into play. So, and on a regular trading, Boeing is a stock that trade around 300 level, around the 340 level. But as of today, it's trading very low. It's really selling off. It's a great company. So what we did was we took a trade today. We got in around we got in around this level. No, we got in around this level, around the 106 level, and we are still holding the trade. This is where we got in today. And the thesis why we got in is because this company is not going to go down to zero. Okay, it's a multi-billion-dollar company. It's just going through hard time right now. Their balance sheet is good until they start having the problem they're having. But regardless, it's a very good company. It's gonna go through a lot of problem right now, but when it comes back, it's gonna come back big. So that's my thesis behind it, and that's the reason why we took that position, which I'm still holding it. And the market is selling off right now. But, you have to understand that, it's going to sell off and it's going to try to go back again. But at the same time, this is going to be more like a short time play. We're going to see what it's going to do. And, and we're going to be able to manage the risks. We're not going to take no losses because we're already up on this trade already. Another company I want to look, I'm just going to go from our position, our current position right here is let's see, current position. We're gonna look at this particular stock. It does that's a pharmaceutical company. It does and the ticker symbol is BNTS. It's a pharmaceutical company that makes drug. It's currently working on the vaccine for the coronavirus. So this company has some great potential. If we look the 5 days, this is the company that was trading like $28, and as of today, it's went all the way to $76. Is that potential? Absolutely. It's currently working so hard to come up with the vaccine for the coronavirus, and in the next coming week, as soon as they're able to come up with the vaccine and they make the announcement, what's going to happen is this stock is going to jump. It's going to go so high. So it's a very great stock to just keep on your watch list. I'm just going to look at the yearly chart. When we look at the yearly chart here, you can see that it's way high there. Our RSI is showing it's overbought, of course, because it's gone so fast, so quick in the last 3 days. So it's on the overbought level. And if we also look at our MACD is also showing that it's made that crossover and it's right up there. So well, I hope you enjoy this analysis. If you do enjoy this analysis, go ahead and smash the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, click the link below to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can be able to receive any updates, or anytime we post a video, you'll be able to receive the video. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.